Okay, so as you can see here, I'm brushing the brows up, and I'm more than likely was thinking, am I going to wax first or laminate first? And usually I like to laminate first, because if I wax, I don't want the perming solution to irritate the skin. So now you can see I am applying Thuya, I think is how you pronounce it, perm solution. Really, I'm probably applying way too much, but I'm really just trying to get rid of this bottle because it's damn near to the end anyway. And I'm doing it messy as hell. Not necessary, but hey. Now I'm going to apply the saran wrap or cling wrap, whatever you like to call it, to speed up the process. I'll also leave the solution on for 15 minutes, and then when there's about 5 minutes left on the timer, I'll comb through with the interdental brush, and then I'll reapply some more solution for the remainder of the time. Now I'm going to remove the cling wrap. I'm going to take a cotton pad, wipe off the perming solution, and apply solution number 2, the neutralizer. So here I'll be applying another strip of saran wrap, which will sit on for another 15 minutes. And again, when there's 5 minutes left on the timer, I'll brush through the brows again with a interdental brush. So after the 15 minutes, I'm removing the neutralizer, and I will begin the wax. For the wax, I'm using Satin Smooth Honey Wax with Vitamin E. For the last step, I'm applying Thuya Regenerating Cream or ointment. And also, it's very important to know that to even buy these products, you need a license. I am a cosmetology license, or even have an esthetician's license. So yeah, pretty much I guess anything in the beauty field to buy these products.